Okay, question 4. So we're going to have 2a squared plus 2a minus 60 equals negative 6 for number 4. So I'm going to add my 60 over. 2a squared plus 12a equals, plus blank equals 54 plus blank. I'm going to divide by 2. A squared plus 6a plus blank equals 54 blank. I'm going to do 6 divided by 2 squared is going to give me 3 squared, which is 9. So I'm going to add a 9 here, but it's not really a 9, it's an 18 because I'm multiplying by that 2. And sorry, I got distracted. So then we're going to factor. So then I'm going to say factors of 9 that add up to 6. It's right there, it's 3. So a plus 3 squared equals 54 plus 19 or 18, which gives me 72. I'm going to divide by 2. You get a plus 3 squared, which gives you 36. Take a square root. A plus 3 equals plus or minus 6. Subtract 3. A equals negative 3 plus or minus 6, which is going to give me 3 and negative 9. It's a negative sign right there. Okay, so that is the answer for number 4. Okay, number 5. Same idea. I'm going to add my 16 over 3r squared minus 6r plus blank equals 24. Yippers. Divide by 3. 2, there we go. And then I can do b over 2, so b over 2 squared is negative 2 over 2 squared, which is negative 1 squared, which is 1. So we're going to add the 1 there, but it's not really a 1, it's a 3. And then we're going to do 3 times r minus 1 squared. I'm getting my factor from right here. Gives me 27. I divide by 3. I get r minus 1 squared equals 9. Square root. R minus 1 equals plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1. 1 plus or minus 3. So that my answers, this is number 5, right? Yeah. It's going to be, 4 or negative 2. Or and, I should say and. 4 and negative 2. Okay, last question. Let me pause. Okay, so let me zoom in. Oh no. I need to zoom in. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to add the 56 over 2n squared plus 8n plus blank equals 64 plus blank. Divide it by 2, so n squared plus 4n plus blank equals 64 plus blank. Then 4 divided by 2 squared is going to be 2 squared is going to be 4. So I'm going to add a 4, but it's not really a 4 because I'm multiplying by the 2, which is 8. So then it's 2 times n plus 2 squared equals 64 plus 8, 72. Yippers. You're going to divide by 2, sorry, I don't need that plus blank anymore. Divide by 2. Remember, I'm getting the n plus 2. Getting that 2 from here. Factors of 4 that add up to 4. They're 2 and 2. Okay? So then n plus 2 squared equals 36. Square root it. N plus 2 equals plus or minus 6. Subtract your 2 over. So it's going to be n equals negative 8, or n is going to equal negative 4. I have my signs backwards, don't I? What's wrong with my signs? +4. There we go. That's what's wrong. Oh, my signs are backwards. Okay, so I actually want to leave this in here. I was going to erase, and I found my mistake, and I was going to erase and start over without the mistake. However, I think a lot of you guys are making the same mistake. So I had a couple emails and a couple comments about this. So if we follow this work that I did, I would get -8 and n equals 4. But on the answer, okay, this is on the answer key. So the key says it's 8, -4. And a lot of you guys commented that your signs were just completely off. So I wanted to leave this mistake in here so that way you can catch it next time if this happens to you. So if you go back up to my work, I made a crucial mistake that's going to change. The numbers will all be right, but my signs will be completely off. And if you've probably already caught it, if you're following along, you're probably like, Miss Bickle, you made a mistake. So up here, when I copied down the second step from here to here, I accidentally changed my sign. So this should be, I'm gonna do everything in yellow, the changes in yellow. That should be a -8, okay? Which means then this should be a -4, okay? Which then means this should be a -4, which means this should be a -2. So which means this should be a -2 here, okay? Which means that this should be a -2 and this should be a -2, -2, -2, which means I should add the 2 over. And that's why our signs were off. The numbers are right, but the signs were off, right? So this should be a, sorry, my mic turned off. So that should be a +8 and a -4, okay? So those are our answers. So again, I left this in here so you can also see a common mistake, because a lot of you guys were commenting like, I had the right numbers, but my signs were completely off. So be very, very careful that you keep the same sign throughout and that you don't accidentally change it. And I'm guilty of it too, clearly, okay? So another way is, we haven't really talked about this yet, but you can check your work. You can plug in each answer into the original equation up here and see if it works or not, okay? So just be very, very careful about your signs, because I made a simple mistake, got the right answer, right numbers, but wrong signs. But I knew then, oh, I had to go back and I made a sign error. Okay, bye guys.